Okay, I'm going to show a quick demo of the Android NVIS app. I'm going to press the icon here. You'll notice that it says it's connected. I'm going to disconnect right now just to show that the connection's already configured, but right now there's a current setting on it, and the settings are created by pushing this little plus button. Okay, but I'm going to go back to the setting that's already been created called NVIS 1, and the I shows info so that we can see what the configuration is. We see it's named NVIS 1. It's important for our network that we use the V2 protocol. We also have the IP address that's configured, and there are a few other things that these are, by the way, pre-configured, so you really don't have to change any of these things. The only thing you have to do right now is do the IP address and select the V2 protocol. In a future version, we're going to allow the portal auto config or zero config, so you don't have to do anything. You just basically put in your wallet address, and you can get provisioned automatically, and you'll connect. So anyway, we're done with this. It's running, and at this point, the only thing we have to do is go to our browser, and we can select or enter in. Let me do a few existing sites. This is like 10.01.75. You notice this IP address is in the private IP address range. So normally these are not public addresses. However, for NVIS, when we select this, you'll see that well, there we go. This is the Miami location. This is a web server in Miami. Okay. So this is an example of a private IP behaving like a public IP. And let's try this one. Okay, this is Paris. It's actually a web server in France. And I've got another example here. Let's try Amsterdam, and that's a web server there. There are other things that we can actually show, pretty much the same that we've seen on the other demos. If we go to 1.95, let me try this one, and we see down here there's already a pre-selection of 10.0195:3000. Okay, that is let's go to it. This is a chat, so we can go to the same rocket chat that we saw in the, I guess, the NVIS router demo. Let's see if it can connect to it. This isn't the app, by the way. This is just on a slow server. Must be pretty busy right now. Okay, there we go. Rocket chat. And I can there's the previous chats. We can look at let's go from there, see what he's up to. And I see, well, gee, that's me. But I can also go back to some of the conversations. We'll see that there was a discussion. I'll just say hello. and that's there. There were previous conversations, we could look at those, but that's pretty much the end of the demo for this. You can go to all of these sort of hidden or invisible websites. You could go to any other website like Howdo, and you'd be able to see whatever is on that. If it were connected to the invisible internet. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.